Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. Today we are going to discuss about transformer. What is transformer, its type, and what is the working principle of transformer. Okay. So transformer is an electrical device which is designed and manufactured to step up voltage or step down the voltage. The transformer works on the principle of Faraday's laws of electromagnetic induction and mutual induction. Let's suppose we have a coil of a wire and we connect it with the AC source like this. So when the current starts flowing through this coil, a magnetic field will be generated. This magnetic field has some direction which will cause him to have some poles, north and south pole. And if this whole scenario you can see, this is known as self-induction. If we place another coil near to this magnetic field like this, then you can see that on the second coil, which we placed in the magnetic field of the first coil, the second coil will get some energy. So there is a transfer of energy from first coil to second coil, but this is without any physical connection. So they are not in contact physically, but energy is transferring. This is known as mutual induction. Let's consider we have a closed loop and in which we are going to circulate the AC current. So AC current has two directions like this. So the flow of direction is from forward and then reverse. Let's suppose we have a DC current flowing from a wire. It has a constant magnetic field or flux, you can say. Okay. This is a wire and electric current is flowing in only in one direction. So it has a constant magnetic flux or magnetic field. But if we talk about AC current, when AC current is flowing from a wire, so due to its directions, which is forward and then reverse, making the magnetic field to vary. So magnetic flux is changing. As you can see, right at this time, the magnetic field is the intensity is little bit higher than this one. Okay, so let's move towards the construction part of transformer. So here we have a two coil, primary coil and a secondary coil. So when the current is passing from the primary coil of the transformer, a magnetic field is generated. And due to this magnetic field, as the second coil is near to this magnetic field, second coil will get some energy. So there is a transfer of energy without any physical contact, which is also known as mutual induction, which we previously studied. But there is a lot of loss of energy. So we can reduce this loss of energy by placing a silicon core like this. So the magnetic field or magnetic flux will remain in this core, and we can improve its efficiency by having some laminated sheets. So you can see here there is single laminated sheet and there is number of laminated sheet, and overall it will be called as laminated core. Okay, so here we have some types of transformer depending on turns ratio, construction, number of phases, type of service, and cooling method. Mainly, we are going to talk about a step up and a step down transformer. You already know about at your homes, it's single phase or three phase meters are available. So step up transformer basically step up the voltages. If you are providing a 20 volts, it can step up to 100 volt or 220. It depends upon how you are going to design that transformer. Okay, and step down transformer, which is normally used by electronic engineers to convert 220 volts into 12 volts or 10 volts. Here we have a formula, so we can create actually we can manufacture our own transformer. Okay, let's try to make one. Okay, this is the formula and I just rearrange this formula like this. Okay, so our required voltages are 20 volts, and our primary voltages, which is the input voltages, are 220, and primary windings will be like something 100. So we need 10 windings on the 10 number of winds on the secondary side to get a 220 step down transformer. So I hope you like this video. So subscribe it, like it, and share it. Allah Hafiz.